Good evening, everybody. Dear colleagues and participants, thank you very much for your support to the first International Mesopotamia Tourism Congress. As Mardin Artuklu University, we are aware of our responsibility to being located on a land which hosted milestones in the human civilization. This land, Mesopotamia, has huge potential of cultural and religious tourism. During 2 days, we had about 30 academic papers presented by my colleagues from 11 different countries. And in the first day, we had a special session about the role of development and governmental agencies on tourism development. And also, we had 4 keynote speeches. In the first day, Professor Cihan Çobanoğlu, he explained us the role of information technologies on religious and cultural tourism. And then Dr. Fennell, Professor Fennell, he also gave a keynote speech about bringing knowledge into practice during the COVID-19. Today, the second day of our Congress, Director of the European Institute of Cultural Roads, Dr. Stefano Dominiano, he also gave us a keynote speech about the role of cultural roads on sustainable tourism of sustainable form of cultural and religious tourism. And lastly, nearly 15 or 10 minutes before, Dr. Professor Timothy, he also gave us an excellent speech about the religious tourism and about the pilgrimage, religious form of the tourism. This year, in the mid of this year, Ministry of Industry and Technology and the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, they launched the brand Mesopotamia campaign. And as being located in the upper Mesopotamia and being located in the Mardin city, that one of the main cities in the Mesopotamia brand, we, Mardin Artuklu University, Faculty of Tourism, we decided to hold and host academic activities about the brand Mesopotamia. Our conference was the first outcome of our decision. And with this conference, we made a good cooperation between the Tigris Development Agency. I would like to thank to Dr. Ahmet Alanlı for his support to the Congress. It was really very pleasure for us to work with them. And Congress arrangements started nearly 8 months before the Congress. And I would like to thank all of my colleagues in the organizing committee, and especially our research assistants who worked behind the scenes, behind the stage. They really made a hard working to organize the Congress. So I would like to thank them. I would like to thank all of our panelists and keynote speakers and our participants who supported us with their academic paper. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we couldn't welcome you in Mardin face-to-face. But I hope in the next year, in the 2022, we are going to welcome you to face-to-face in Mardin, in Upper Mesopotamia. And we are really very excited to welcome you face-to-face in Mesopotamia and share your knowledge with the academics and other researchers and other tourism stakeholders. I would like to express my keen regards and greetings from Upper Mesopotamia on behalf of the organizing committee. It was a very productive Congress for 2 days. I really thank to everybody who supported and made contribution to our Congress. Thank you very much. And good evening to all. I wish you have a good night. Thank you.